A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Emerging Viral Threat in China, a global health test amid distracted times. Ladies and gentlemen, China is reportedly confronting a surge in respiratory illnesses with human metapneumovirus HMPV identified as a potential driver. Hospitals are under strain, yet international attention remains diverted by geopolitical tensions and conflicts. This raises a critical question. Has the world learned from past pandemics, or are early warning signs being overlooked, risking a repeat of costly mistakes? Let us understand HMPV virus a little deeper. Human metapneumovirus HMPV, first identified in 2001 in Netherlands, is believed to have originated from avian metapneumoviruses, suggesting a zoonotic connection similar to many other respiratory viruses. Genetic studies reveal that HMPV likely crossed into humans centuries ago, but it remained undetected till modern virology uncovered it in children suffering from respiratory infections. This virus spreads primarily through respiratory droplets, direct contact with contaminated surfaces, and close personal interactions. It targets the respiratory tract, causing symptoms ranging from mild colds to severe pneumonia, particularly in children, the elderly, and immunocompromised individuals. While no specific antiviral treatments or vaccines are available, prevention through public health measures remains critical. Transparency is the bedrock of effective public health responses. Consider the recent avian flu cases in the United States, where clear reporting and open communication ensured that the public and institutions could act with confidence. In contrast, limited information from China on this outbreak has fueled speculation, global concern, and potential misinformation. The World Health Organization (WHO) must take a proactive stance by providing timely updates on the outbreak's nature, severity, and recommended precautions. The WHO can prevent unnecessary panic and guide nations towards an appropriate response. Until the situation is fully understood, a cautious approach is essential. Like 1. Travel precautions. Temporary travel restrictions based on transparent data can mitigate cross-border transmission without causing undue alarm. Second, basic self-care protocols. Public adherence to masking, hand hygiene, and avoiding crowded spaces is vital to containing respiratory illnesses. Third, surveillance and preparedness. Nations must enhance surveillance, stockpile medical supplies, and reinforce healthcare systems to ensure readiness. Experts highlight that while HMPV is a known virus with predictable seasonal patterns, its potential to stress healthcare systems during peak seasons cannot be ignored. Its emergence in China underscores the critical need for vigilance, particularly given the global influenza season. What China and the world must do now are: 1. China's responsibility. China must prioritize transparency, offering clear updates on the outbreak's scope and nature to foster trust and collaboration. Second, global health leadership. The WHO must step in decisively, providing accurate information and aligning international efforts. Third, international collaboration. The governments must act swiftly to avoid distractions and ensure a unified response. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, a crucial test for global health cooperation exists. This situation serves as a wake-up call. Transparency, collaboration, and proactive measures are non-negotiable in today's interconnected world. Whether HMPV evolves into a global threat or remains contained, the actions taken now will define the capacity to manage future crises. Lessons from the past must inform the path forward, safeguarding health for all. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.